Introduction. Project management is a systematic approach that guides the planning, organization, and execution of projects to achieve specific goals and objectives. These projects undergo a series of phases, collectively known as the project lifecycle, providing structure and clarity to the management process. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into each phase in detail, supported by real-world examples to enrich your understanding. 1. Project initiation. The project initiation phase marks the outset of any project. It involves defining the project's purpose, objectives, and scope. Here, the project manager identifies key stakeholders, conducts feasibility studies, and formulates a business case. This case outlines the project's benefits, costs, and risks, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions about proceeding with the project. Example, consider a software development project aiming to enhance customer engagement through a new mobile application. During the initiation phase, objectives such as improving customer satisfaction and brand loyalty are identified. Feasibility assessments encompass factors like budget, resources, and technical requirements, culminating in a business case outlining anticipated benefits, costs, and risks. 2. Project planning. The project planning phase involves crafting a detailed roadmap for the project. It encompasses defining deliverables, creating schedules, allocating resources, and identifying risks. Collaboration between the project team and stakeholders is crucial to establish goals, milestones, and dependencies. Example, continuing with our software development project, this phase involves creating a comprehensive project plan outlining specific features, development timelines, and resource allocations. Anticipated risks, like technical challenges or market fluctuations, are identified and mitigation strategies are devised. 3. Project execution. The project execution phase marks the commencement of actual work. It involves implementing the project plan, coordinating resources, and managing tasks. The project manager oversees progress, ensures adherence to the plan, and communicates updates to stakeholders. Example, in our software development project, this phase entails actual application development. The project manager supervises the development team to ensure adherence to the plan and achievement of milestones. Regular communication and progress tracking are essential to address challenges promptly. 4. Project monitoring and control. The project monitoring and control phase focuses on tracking project performance, comparing it against the plan, and making necessary adjustments. Continuous monitoring of key metrics aids in identifying and addressing deviations from the original plan. Example, tracking metrics such as bug count, adherence to schedules, and customer feedback in our software development project allows the project manager to take corrective actions promptly, such as resource reallocation or process adjustments. 5. Project closure. The project closure phase signifies the project's culmination. It entails finalizing deliverables, conducting project reviews, and transitioning outcomes to stakeholders. This ensures all project objectives are met and remaining administrative tasks are completed. Example, finalizing the mobile application, conducting thorough testing, obtaining stakeholder approval, and overseeing deployment in our software development project constitutes the closure phase. A comprehensive project review identifies lessons learned and areas for improvement. Conclusion. Understanding project management phases is imperative for successful project execution. Each phase contributes significantly to well-planned, efficiently executed projects that meet their objectives. Real-world examples, like our software development project, offer practical insights into the application of these phases across industries. Flexibility within this structured framework allows adaptation to project-specific needs, thereby enhancing the likelihood of success.